Hi, I'm Matthew Adams. I'm the director of the Albright Institute here in Jerusalem. We've been talking about what we've been doing for the last 2 years during the coronavirus pandemic, all of the construction activities that have been taking place here at the Institute. And today I want to talk about a discrete group of several projects which form a cohesive whole. First, the kitchen balcony, which expands the kitchen's ability to cook outdoors, including new barbecue facilities, a housekeeping office below it, a new staff room, and an upgraded, expanded laundry room for our fellows. Several small projects kind of turned out to be one major project in the end, and that is the expansion of the kitchen balcony, the expansion of the laundry room, and the addition of a staff room. All of these ideas were kind of on the books, but what we were able to do during the Corona construction was to make them all part of one discrete project. And that all began with the expansion of the kitchen balcony. We knew that the kitchen balcony was having some structural problems and needed to be replaced. We also realized that at the time we could expand the kitchen balcony, offering more space for Hisham in the kitchen to have outdoor cooking space for barbecues and other things. And by expanding the balcony itself, that would give us space underneath for some of these other projects. So we ended up expanding the kitchen balcony, which then gave us space to add a new bathroom for outside events. It gave us space to add a bathroom for the staff room. It gave us space to add a housekeeping office. So our housekeeping staff, which formerly was just roaming around and kind of making their office in the common room, now has their own dedicated office. Now, as part of all this same complex, we were able to renovate the laundry room, doubling its size, modernizing all of the appliances and fixtures there. And that all connected together near the basement archaeological lab, giving space for staff to store their items, for the kitchen to store their surplus items, and for this lovely laundry room. One extra unexpected advantage to this was it created a new outdoor space that we didn't have before, which connected the housekeeping office, the kitchen balcony, and the entrance to the laundry room as this kind of lovely outdoor space that fellows and staff could sit together and relax in general or while they're waiting for their laundry. Just a lovely new space for people to take advantage of. I hope you enjoyed these brand new additions to the Albright. I know you're going to love the barbecue, but I especially know that you're going to love doing your laundry at the Albright like you've never loved it before. See ya.